Welcome in class 5 English literature. Here lesson 7 A great man exercises new words. First, ascetic. What does the mean of ascetic? Ascetic means one who lives a very harsh life of extreme discipline. So one who lives a very harsh life of extreme discipline, that person is called ascetic person. Okay? Monk. What does the mean of monk? A holy person, एक पवित्र इंसान monk कहलाता है. ठीक है, जैसे कोई संत महात्मा हो गए वो. Locks. Locks, that looks like a curly hair, it's called as locks. Gorgeous. What does the mean of gorgeous? Gorgeous means very nice, very beautiful. Okay, that's called gorgeous. Precious. Precious, costly. Very costly, high amount of anything, that's called precious thing. Okay. Saffron robes. Saffron robes, deep yellow garment, is called as saffron robes. Okay. Now seventh, serene. Serene means peaceful, calm. Peaceful or calm, it's called as serene. Okay. So calmfully or peacefully, who active, as called as serene. Beg. Beg means to ask somebody for something. Beg is to ask for somebody for something. That's beg मतलब किसी से कुछ मांगना. ठीक है ना? ओके, किसी से कुछ मांगना. ठीक है, अपने लिए कोई चीज, वो for begging to him. Okay, then ninth, struck. Struck means impressed. Impressed हो जाना, that's called struck. Magnificence. Magnificence, grand look. Magnificence, grand look, that's called magnificence. Vanish. Vanish means disappear, गायब हो जाना. Vanish means suddenly disappear, गायब हो जाना. Harsh. Harsh means, you know na, harsh means harsh, so hard, full of difficulty, so harsh used word, that's called harsh. Renounced. Renounced means given up. Enlightenment. Enlightenment, true knowledge. True knowledge is called enlightenment of any person. Okay. Meditating. Meditating means deep concentration and thought, that's called meditation. Meditation के थ्रू हम लोग बहुत डीप कंसंट्रेशन करके हम लोग बहुत सारी नॉलेज ले सकते हैं और न्यू थिंकिंग भी डेवलप होती है with meditation. So meditating is called deep concentration and thought. 16, austerity. Austerity, living a life of very harsh and strict discipline. So whom are living a life of very harsh and strict discipline, eating very little, that's activity is called austerity. Sermons. Sermons means religious talk. Religious talk means मतलब कोई रिलीजियस टॉक, किसी धर्म, किसी पूजा पाठ से रिलेटेड अच्छी बातें करना, वो रिलीजियस टॉक कहलाता है, दैट इज सर्मन्स. ओके. प्रीच्ड. प्रीच्ड, गेव रिलीजियस टॉक. प्रीच्ड मीन्स गेव. तो रिलीजियस टॉक्स जो भी हैं, आपकी थॉट, रिलीजियस थिंकिंग, उसे किसी को प्रोवाइड करना, किसी के साथ शेयर करना, दैट्स कॉल्ड प्रीच्ड. ओके. नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट exercise on page number 55 here. Read the question and choose the correct option to answer. Show what you know, just see. First, what was the first name of Gautam Buddha? What was the first name of the Gautam Buddha? That is first option, Siddharth. First name of Gautam Buddha is Siddharth. Okay. In his childhood name. Okay. In his childhood, his childhood name is Siddharth. Okay. What kind of clothes did Siddharth wear as a monk? So monk wear saffron robes, na? So it's called saffron robes. On which night did Siddharth attain enlightenment? So there is the answer, full moonlight, when Siddharth attained enlightenment. Okay. Now next. Now next exercise here, write briefly about the people and places named below. Who were these people? What were these places? Write in your notebook. So about them, write in your notebook. First, King Suddhodhan. Second, Prince Siddharth. Third, King Bimbisar. Fourth, Rajgiri, that is place. Kapilvastu, that is also a place. Alar Kalam is the teacher of Gautam Buddha. Here, now next, Buddha. Okay, just see the explanation. See the introduction about him. First, King Suddhodhan. He was the Shakya king of Kapilvastu. He was the Shakya king of Kapilvastu. He was the father of Siddharth who left his kingdom to seek enlightenment. So Suddhodhan was the Shakya king of Kapilvastu kingdom. He was the father of Siddharth. So Shuddhodhan is father of Siddharth. So when I asked to you that who is the father of Siddharth, so name is King Shuddhodhan, who left his kingdom to seek enlightenment. Okay, so Siddharth, who left his kingdom to seek enlightenment, his father named Shuddhodhan. Now second, Prince Siddharth. Who is Prince Siddharth? He was the young prince of Kapilvastu. So Siddharth was the young prince of Kapilvastu. He was deeply moved by the misery of people. He wanted to find a path to free man of his misery. So उनकी misery को दूर करने के लिए एक वे उन्हें फाइंड आउट करना था, जिसके लिए वो एनलाइटमेंट के लिए गए थे. ओके, so here King Bimsar, he was the king of Magad. He was the king of Magad who was greatly impressed by Siddharth as a monk. So Siddharth, Bimbisar was the king of Magad who was greatly impressed by Siddharth. Siddharth से काफी impress हुए थे and as a monk he wanted to appoint him as his minister. उन्होंने appoint किया था, appoint करना चाहते थे सिद्धार्थ को as his minister, but Siddharth Buddha rejected that. Okay, Rajgriha. Rajgriha is the capital of great kingdom of Magad. So Magad, जो कि अभी modern बिहार है, ठीक है, that time it's called as Magad. Rajgriha is the capital of great kingdom of Magad. Siddharth went there after leaving his home to devote the life as an ascetic. So एक ascetic life के साथ रहने के लिए वो अपना घर, अपना जो भी पैलेस था उसको छोड़कर चले गए थे. कपिलवस्तु. कपिलवस्तु, here the spelling mistake here, Kapilvastu. Okay, Kapilvastu. Birthplace of Shakya prince Siddharth, who later became Gautam Buddha. So जो शाक्य प्रिंस सिद्धार्थ थे उनका बर्थ प्लेस क्या था? उनका बर्थ प्लेस था कपिल वस्तु. सो बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ सिद्धार्थ इज कपिल वस्तु. ओके, हु लेटर बिकेम गौतम बुद्ध, जो कि बाद में गौतम बुद्ध के नाम से जाने गए. ठीक है. अलार कलम. Alar Kalam, he was a famous teacher. Siddharth became his disciple and learnt many things from him. सिद्धार्थ ने बहुत कुछ सीखा था उनसे. ठीक है, वो उनके टीचर थे अलार कलाम. But when he not satisfied with him, then he moved for another teacher. Okay. Now last, Buddha. Buddha. सिद्धार्थ वॉज नोन एज बुद्ध आफ्टर रिसीविंग एनलाइटमेंट. सो सिद्धार्थ ही हैं जो कि बाद में बुद्ध कहलाए जब उन्हें एनलाइटमेंट मिल गया. ही गेव सरमन्स एंड स्प्रेड नॉलेज. फिर वो रिलीजियस टॉक्स वगैरह जो है वो जो उन्हें मिली थी एनलाइटमेंट के बाद वो लोगों में स्प्रेड किया. उन्होंने अपनी नॉलेज को स्प्रेड किया अक्रॉस द होल वर्ल्ड. ओके, नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. Complete the story of Prince Siddharth by fill in the blanks. Okay. First, Prince Siddharth left. Prince Siddharth left what? What Prince Siddharth left? Home. Prince Siddharth left home in first blank. Then after, to find the answer to some question, he came to Rajgriha. He had become a wandering. Then after, in second blank fill as ascetic. Okay, what you fill here? Ascetic. Okay, CETIC. Okay, CETIC, ASCETIC, ascetic. So he came to Rajgiri, he had become a wandering. So second, blank ascetic, a wandering ascetic. He used to go with what? He go for begging food with a bowl ना, वो बोल लेकर जाते थे और स्टैंड हो जाते थे ना अपनी आर्म स्प्रेड करके, स्ट्रेच्ड करके. तो he used to go with a bowl for begging food. He looked as if he were a god. The king's fourth blank, fill as soldier. So he looked as if he were a god. The king's soldiers saw him and went to the. So the king's soldiers in fourth, king के जो soldiers थे उन्होंने उन्हें देखा और उसको follow किए थे ना soldiers, and went to the palace. Then after in fifth blank, fill as palace, PALACE, palace. Okay. टू टेल द किंग अबाउट द एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी मैन. जब उन्होंने देखा उनके सोल्जर्स ने, फिर वो गए पैलेस में जाके किंग से बोला एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी मैन के बारे में. द किंग बिम्बसार डिसाइडेड टू मीट सिद्धार्थ. सो किंग बिम्बसार ने डिसाइड किया कि सिद्धार्थ से वो मिले. डिसाइडेड टू मीट द सिद्धार्थ. ही ऑफर्ड हाफ ऑफ हिज किंगडम. सेवेंथ ब्लैंक, फिल एस किंगडम. ओके, किंगडम मीन्स राज्य. ठीक है. सो टू मीट सिद्धार्थ, ही ऑफर्ड हाफ ऑफ हिज किंगडम. तो उन्होंने जब वो मिले तो उन्होंने ऑफर किया सिद्धार्थ को कि वो उनको उनका हाफ किंगडम दे देंगे, ऑफर करेंगे. बट सिद्धार्थ रिफ्यूज्ड. तो उनके ऑफर को सिद्धार्थ ने क्या किया, रिफ्यूज कर दिया. ठीक है. बट सिद्धार्थ रिफ्यूज्ड, सेइंग he only wanted what? He only wanted enlightenment. उन्हें बस एक नॉलेज, एक ट्रू नॉलेज उन्हें चाहिए थी. ठीक है. सो he only want enlightenment. ENLIGHT enlightenment. And Siddharth later became 10 blank Buddha. At last Siddharth became what? Siddharth became Buddha. Okay. So Siddharth became Buddha after he got true knowledge or enlightenment. Now see the next exercise. Now answer the following question. First, what did astrologers predict about Siddharth? So what did astrologers predict about Siddharth? So here the answer of first, astrologers predicted that Siddharth would either be a great emperor or a great ascetic. So जो एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स थे, जो ज्योतिष थे, उन्होंने शुद्धोधन को बताया था उनके फादर को कि सिद्धार्थ या तो एक ग्रेट एम्परर बन सकते हैं, एक महान सम्राट बन सकते हैं, और ग्रेट एसेटिक या तो एक महान संत महात्मा बन सकते हैं. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट हियर, हाउ डिड सिद्धार्थ लुक एज अ मॉन्क? How did Siddharth look as a monk? Siddharth looked very impressive as a monk. जब वो monk बने तो काफ़ी impressive थे. He was handsome and there was a glow on his face. और उनके face पे क्या रहता था? अक्सर काफ़ी glow रहता था. His voice was here, right in this place. There is a error. His voice. Okay. His voice होगा यहाँ पे. His voice was deep and effective. People were impressed to see him. So his voice was deep and effective and people were impressed to see him. Now next, what did King Bimsar tell his soldier? ने क्या बताया? King Bimsar told his soldier to soldiers को क्या बताया बिम्सार ने कि किंग बिम्सार टोल्ड हिज सोल्जर्स टू फॉलो सिद्धार्थ एंड फाइंड आउट मोर अबाउट हिम. तो उन्होंने बोला अपने सोल्जर्स को कि उनको फॉलो करो, देखो कि वो हाँ सही में सच में कोई एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन है या नॉर्मल पर्सन है. ठीक है. सो किंग बिम्सार टोल्ड हिज सोल्जर्स टू फॉलो सिद्धार्थ एंड फाइंड आउट मोर अबाउट हिम. और उसके बारे में और भी जो भी नॉलेज वगैरह है वो पता करो कि कहाँ से आए हैं, कौन है. ठीक है. सो हियर इज द completion of the exercise and chapter of 7, a great man. So revise and learn the whole question and exercises. Okay, take care.